Hello and welcome to AdvancedRx video tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at Verify Q, Verify Rejected Q, Auto Refill Q, Auto Transmit Q, and Fax Q. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. All the queues are located in the top where we also see the rest of the queues. We have already covered the videos for rest of the queues. So today we'll be specifically looking at Verify Q, Verify Rejected Q, Auto Refill Queue, Auto Transmit Queue, and Fax Queue. So let's start with Verify Queue. Verify Queue is where you do the verification of the RXs once filled. So you basically go ahead and verify the RXs from here. And similarly, Verify Rejected queue is where, in case the RXs which are there in the verify queue gets rejected for some reason, for the product is not proper or it's filled not properly. So if the pharmacist go and rejects it, it comes here in the verify rejected queue. Similarly, we have an auto refill queue wherein you can go here and check all those refills which come in auto refill. So it would show you for today's status, what all refills have been done, which refills are for one time, which auto refills failed, which auto refill request failed. So it would give you a complete report of all those four thing. Now, in order to go ahead and activate auto refill for a patient, what you do is you go to a patient profile and activate an auto refill. I'll just go and show that to you. For you, in case you don't remember. So you go to the patient master, you select auto refill. From here you see this check mark, you go ahead and select auto refill, and then this particular patient is allowed for auto refill. That's how you mark a patient for auto refill, and then only you'll be able to do an auto refill for that patient. So this particular report is auto refill report, where you can see which of them auto refill today or yesterday. You can do date wise as well. You can also have the status: pending, refill failed, refill transmitted, transmission error. Then similarly you have auto transmit queue for those RXs which are set up for auto transmission. You can check the date. Auto transmission and auto refill goes every morning. So before you actually start the pharmacy, your auto refill and auto transmissions are completed. Then you have Fax Q, wherein you can check the inbox and outbox faxes. So we connect your hard fax with a soft fax, and with a modem, and you can see all your faxes converted into soft faxes. So basically you can check here all your faxes uh, which are there in soft copy. Okay, so this is Fax Q. So these are all the 5 queues that we looked today. One is verify rejection queue, auto refill queue, auto transmit queue, and Fax Q. And that's it for today. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.